Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Debt, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So come along with me in this journey of wealth. In my life, there are so many regrets, like buying a $200 True Religion jean, going to all those nightclubs and bars. So I want to tell you today, don't make the same mistakes I did. Take what I did wrong in my impulsive youth and learn from it. The video is a huge opportunity for you to learn from my mistakes so that you can reach your dream goals faster, whatever it be: the dream house, travel the world in style, financial independence and retire early, whatever it is. You know the famous saying, don't make the same mistake twice. Well, I'm telling you again, don't make the same mistake twice where I already did it once, and now I'm telling you, don't do it again. If I said, don't think about an elephant, what do you think about?
Say to you, don't think about elephants. What are you thinking about?
Elephants.
Did you think about those elephants? If you did, you failed your first test. Keep watching, and at the end, there will be another test for you to redeem yourself. If I told you that the Ash method of accumulate, save, house is a great way to achieve wealth and to reach your dreams quicker, you have three options. 1, you can ignore this advice and move on. 2, you can continue watching this entire video and do nothing with it. Or 3, you can take action now and become better than me. I can only give you the tools to success. You will need to use them.
But I can only show you the door. You're the one that has to walk through it.
The first thing that I learned to do is be patient. Accumulating and saving money is not quick. Waiting for compound interest to grow is not quick either. Putting your money in stocks is risky as well, but you need to be patient. One of the mistakes I made was during the oil crash in 2014 was that I was bleeding so much money I decided to pull out all my money from the oil stocks. Even at a loss, I was so shaken up by the loss, I didn't invest for at least 2 years. Well, I learned that if I left the money in there for 2 years, I would have made all my money back and more. Lesson learned? Be patient. Don't sell low and buy high. The second thing to do is invest in things that last forever. Just like in my previous video, if you had $1,000 to spend on. Consumer goods, especially premium goods, is such a bad idea. It only does one thing, which is boost your ego, but that is about it. I guarantee you that because looking back now, I didn't really need any of that. Starbucks coffee versus homebrewed coffee. Walmart jeans versus True Religion jeans. Proactive acne system versus one that you find at a spa which costs $600. None of these last forever. The only thing that lasts forever is knowledge. Even if you put the knowledge away for a little bit to pursue your dreams, you will have it forever because all it takes is picking up that book to refresh your memory. Spend the 4 years now. Get that education and then you're set forever to invest however you like, even if you want to go on the YOLO frenzy. Once your investment fails, or maybe hustling isn't what you thought it would be, then you have something to fall back on. That is your degree. In my previous video about working from home as an engineer, I said to learn a new skill in C++ or HTML. For me, I really wanted to get that MBA. I'm still studying for the entrance exam right now, and sitting in on the entrance exam isn't available during this crisis. Other things that I wanted to learn include AutoCAD and YouTube. The third thing is to invest what you have left. Remember the Ash method? The S part of Ash is save. Put whatever you have left in the safe savings account if you are absolutely strapped for money and using that money is imminent. Or if that money can be put away but you don't like the volatility, it is to put it into a GIC, a Guaranteed Investment Certificate. Use that money to pay off that debt. What are you waiting for? It's just accumulating interest. In my video of my top 10 tips to paying down your debt faster, your rainy day is here. Don't let that debt continue to accumulate interest. Pay off that debt. Another way to invest is in the stock market. If you lose $100, let it be a $100 lesson. But get back on that horse. I've already had many $100 lessons and look where I am. Successful and giving back to you guys. Now the challenge is, do you remember what ASH stands for? Did you say accumulate, save, house? If you did, then you passed the test. And now is the time to smash that like button. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Tell me in the comment section down below what you're investing in right now and what lesson learned that you can share with others. The last thing is to invest in motivation. Don't be lazy. Get off that couch. It will take you 10 tries at something before you get it right. You know that saying to get back on that horse after you've been kicked down? Now is the time. Don't give up. Do whatever it takes to keep going. Is it music? Is it building a Lego figure? Maybe it's drawing. Maybe it's reading a book. Whatever it is, get that motivation fix in and start working. Otherwise, it's just procrastination and you'll never be successful. One of my favorite books are The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People and The 4-Hour Workweek. Give them a read and hopefully they will give you some motivation to work hard. Well, thanks for watching, and those are my tips to investing in your 20s to be successful in your 30s. If you like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment for what you want to hear, smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Sundays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Debt, saving you money.